a unique black chrome tank colour scheme that's developed through Royal Enfield's in-house industry-leading chrome technology at our original factory in Chennai. To complement the chrome black tanks of both the Continental GT and the Interceptor, for the first time we feature blacked out engine, silencer and other body components, along with an array of genuine motorcycle accessories like the compact engine guard, fly screens, throttle body cover, sump guard, hill guards, bar end Tory mirrors. To celebrate our handcrafted DNA, a unique die-cast brass badge has been made in collaboration with a family of multi-generational artisans from Tamil Nadu who specialise in making exquisite brass effigies for the most revered temples and have done this for generations. Accentuating Royal Enfield's handcrafted generations, the 120th anniversary year edition Interceptor and Continental GT feature the very special hand-painted pinstripes as well. You'll notice the unique decals on the motorcycle that celebrate our legacy. The top badge features the unique serial number of each motorcycle, and that's been inspired by the first certificate of incorporation. The side panel decal also carries a special ode to 120 years of pure motorcycling. Both the Interceptor and Continental GT 120th anniversary editions carry special brown textured seats that are complemented by matching grips for a truly unique look. Hi.